Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this piece. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, write down the lyrics from the song. Then we should position the text and make the animations. I use the Warp 7 transition in this starting word as well as in the whole video. The animations usually start out of the screen by adjusting the positioning. It's either X or Y that you can play with. As you can see, for the third word I adjusted the Y. The point when the Y or the X is 0 is the point where you previously positioned the text. Here I changed the size of the second and third word by scaling. So decrease it for the second and increase the size of the third. Here I also played with the positioning at the beginning and the end of the animation. Here I did the same animations. For the word of I used a rotation of 90 degrees. This is another tool you can add custom animations with. The word that are not fully colored white, I remove the text fill in advanced and only select the text border with white color and thickness 1. Now we should add a black background below the lyrics. After that, go to Effects and search for Glow. Adjusted it on top and adjust the radius to 2 and the opacity to 75. Then export it. Then drag the footage you got to the timeline. I got mine from Elements Envato. Then drag the exported lyrics above it. Adjust the footage and go to Effects. Search for Remove Black Background and drag it down to the exported lyrics. That's it for this video, guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.